All right, let's pull back the curtain on YouTube. Today, we're going to uncover the hidden AI secrets that are unlocking some serious revenue for pretty much every creator on the platform.
So if you're a creator, you've probably lived by this one simple rule. More views equals more money. I mean, it makes total sense, right? But what if I told you that's not even close to the whole picture?
Because, that's really only half the story. The other half, the part that separates the good channels from the truly great businesses, is all about artificial intelligence. It's this powerhouse engine working behind the scenes, and honestly, understanding it is the real key.
Yeah, we've got to stop thinking of YouTube as just a place to upload videos. It's way more than that. It's a super sophisticated AI ecosystem. This AI is constantly making decisions about which videos to push, where to put ads so they have the biggest impact, and at the end of the day, how much money lands in your pocket.
So how do you even start to tap into this? Well, it all begins with your analytics. You've got to let the AI become your own personal data strategist, helping you get to know your audience on a whole new level.
See, these aren't just random numbers. Right inside your YouTube studio, the AI is tracking all of this stuff for you. It's figuring out the exact moment a viewer gets bored and clicks away, but it also knows the parts that have them totally hooked, glued to the screen. And all that data creates this really powerful feedback loop. Think about it. Step 1, the AI hands you all these incredible insights. Step 2, you use that info to make better videos. Maybe you realize, hey, my intros are too long, or I need to make my edits a bit punchier. And the result? Your watch time and click-through rates start to climb. And that's the magic signal to YouTube's main algorithm that says, hey, promote this video more. It's this awesome upward cycle of success.
So what this all really boils down to is sending a signal of quality. When the AI sees people are actually sticking around and watching your videos for longer, it basically goes, okay, this is high quality stuff, and it rewards you with more visibility and, you guessed it, more recommendations.
Okay, so we've seen how AI helps you really get your audience. Now let's talk about the fun part. How it helps you monetize that audience and really maximize what you earn from all your hard work. This chart just perfectly shows the shift. In the old days, you might just throw some ads in at fixed times. But YouTube's AI now, it's so much smarter. It actually analyzes viewer behavior to find the perfect high attention moments to show an ad. This makes it way less annoying for the viewer and way more valuable for you, which means a higher CPM. It's a win-win. But it's not just about the ads anymore. AI is also playing matchmaker for some seriously lucrative brand sponsorships. Platforms like YouTube Brand Connect are using AI to connect you with companies whose products are a perfect, natural fit for your audience. It just takes all the guesswork out of finding great sponsors. And just look at the potential here. For a lot of creators, the money they make from these AI-powered brand deals can be way more than what they get from standard ad revenue alone. It's all about building different income streams, and it's all powered by this smart tech.
So, we've covered understanding your audience and monetizing your audience. But what about the actual, making of the videos? Well, this is where AI steps in to help you work smarter, not just harder.
Oh man, if you've ever made a video, this chart probably hits close to home. Traditionally, the biggest chunk of any creator's time is just sucked up by the technical grind of editing and production. It can be a massive time sink.
But here's the game changer. Today, you've got a whole squad of AI assistants ready to help. I mean, just imagine editing your entire video just by editing a text document with a tool like Descript, or automating all those tedious, complex tasks with Adobe's AI. You can even go global in an instant, using AI-generated voiceovers from platforms like Synthesia to break down language barriers. It's wild.
And this is the incredible result. By letting AI handle all that grunt work, that huge editing and production slice gets so much smaller. And what does that give you back? The most valuable thing of all, time. More time to spend on what really matters, your ideas, your scripts, your overall creative strategy.
The difference is really night and day. We're moving away from these slow, manual workflows and into a world of super fast production. This means you can publish more consistently, which is a huge deal for channel growth. And, like we said, you get instant access to a global audience. It's all about tearing down the technical roadblocks to your creativity.
So, where is all this technology actually heading? Let's take a quick peek at what the future of creation on YouTube might look like.
AI on YouTube has evolved so fast. I mean, it started out with just basic video recommendations. Now, as we've seen, it's powering dynamic analytics and monetization. So what's next? Well, We're looking at predictive AI, stuff that could help you forecast your revenue and even spot audience trends before they actually blow up.
So the real takeaway here is that adapting to these tools isn't just a fun little experiment, it is a genuine competitive advantage. The creators who get on board and learn to work with AI early on, they're going to be the ones who build those loyal audiences and, most importantly, create sustainable businesses that last. Which leaves us with one last kind of mind-bending question to chew on. As this AI tech gets smarter and smarter, more predictive, are we heading into a future where the next viral sensation isn't just a stroke of creative genius, but something that's actually, engineered from the ground up? Definitely something to think about.